if y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. In today's video, we got a highway POV for y'all boys. Just gonna make this real quick. I just left the casino. I'm feeling good, shorty. I'm up. I was up 800, bro. But I had to put 200 on even. I was playing roulette. I just told myself, man, I'm finna put 200 on even, man. If I miss it, I miss it. If I make it, I make it. And I'm going home. And I missed it, shorty, but it's all cool, man. I'm feeling good. I'm still up. So I ain't tripping. But if y'all new to this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We going up all 2024, bro. 2024. Yeah, we in 2024. I was just finna say 2023. I be tripping. But yeah, though, I just hope that y'all enjoy this video, man. This video gonna be real quick. I just wanted to post something for y'all. I know I ain't posting like a week, like 7 days, because I've been real busy, man. I've been trying to run up an M. I've been in them casinos. Hey, let me know if y'all want casino vlogs. Just let me know. I'll bring y'all in there with me. I've been definitely thinking about it, man. I'm already in that joint. Like, why not vlog, bro? But it's just a lot of older people in there. It's a lot of older people smoking cigarettes, man. Literally. Let me know how y'all like the stars. Let me know how y'all like the ambient lights. Y'all should rock with them. They looking good. Let me know how they look in the little POV, bro. Let me know how they look. Let me know. Let me know. We on the way back to Illinois right now. Y'all know Indiana got all of the casinos, bro. They got like 3 right by state line. They got like 3 of them. But Illinois, they got this casino that's being built in Homewood. Y'all know me, I don't live that far. I don't live that far from Homewood. That'll be perfect for me. But nah, this one really perfect. The one I go to, that one be perfect. The Hard Rock joint. I literally just started going there too. The crazy thing is, I've been on that Bandman D-Lo dude like crazy. I think that's his name, Bandman or something like that. I think that's his name. I don't know. But I've been on that dude D-Lo like crazy, shorty. His music just be getting you in that mood. This Honda trying to play crazy. Better slow that little motherfucker down, boy. Y'all, my cat looks so crazy, bro. I got the headlights. Man, this joint looks so crazy, man. We only had 3 minutes. This video may be like 10 minutes long. I might add some more stuff in it. It just all depends on how I'm feeling. What's going on over there? Come on, get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Oh yeah, you tripping. You tripping. But yeah, like I said, I might extend this video. I'm really like, on this YouTube stuff, I'm really getting confident now, man. Cause I just understood, like, y'all like watching people for them. Like, I ain't gotta be doing too much, man, and getting out of my character. Y'all just mess with people for them. A lot of people, they just be trying to fake it, bro. Fake it for the camera, fake it for this. Man, me, I don't care, man. Cause the type of person I am, bro, I don't care if you like me or not, man. Oh, this is just freaking social media at the end of the day, bro. A lot of y'all don't know me anyways, man. I could be a dickhead in person. You don't know. But nah, and it's crazy because I met a lot of people at the casino. Like, a lot of people, not a lot of people, but Cause I only been going there for 2 days, but literally, bro, like 5 people came up to me that they watched me on YouTube and this and that. I'm like, damn, I need to drop another YouTube video. I'm tripping, huh? Y'all be really watching your boy. And I know cars like this, bro, it's like real motivation. Cause even when I ain't have a charger, bro, like I just used to always see them driving past. And I'm like, I'm just gonna give me a charger one day, bro. I'ma definitely give me one day. They just look so crazy. Like the tail lights on the back just look so crazy. So I had to get, my first charger was that SXT joint, that 2018 SXT. My joint was great, man. I love that car. This what we gonna do. This what we gonna do. We gonna do, we finna hit it right here so y'all can hear it. Nothing too crazy, just so y'all can hear it. Nothing too crazy. Y'all know Davo is a law-abiding citizen. Ooh, y'all know what I'm finna do? I know where I'm finna go. We ain't finna go towards the city. We finna turn this joint around right now. We finna turn this joint around. We finna go over here by these open roads towards the burbs. Let's see. Oh. Ew. I know exactly where we finna go. We ain't never been over here yet. Just like a different scenery, bro. Different little highway scenery. Oh my God. Come on. Why would you do that? You piece of shit. Watch me. As soon as we get on this E-way, I'm finna head on them. I'm finna hold on. No homo, folks. I just tripped. I don't know what kind of noise I'm making. Let us get on this E-way, shorty. Let us get on this E-way, shorty. I am a law-abiding citizen. I'm low-key hungry. Oh my, look at this semi-truck, folks. Is it a phone number on this semi-truck? I'm finna get on in there. I'm finna call his name, whatever, man. I don't know who I'm finna call, but I'm finna call somebody. Oh, shit, we got the same color joint. His car look like, his freaking semi-truck color look like this color. Never mind, I ain't finna call them peoples on you. Call his damn dispatcher. Damn, why is everybody driving like grannies? Holy moly. Oh my God, that bump was just ridiculous. Oh. Make sure that y'all hit that like button. Hit that like button and drop a comment, bro. I need y'all to start dropping comments like crazy. Support your boy. I don't care what you talking about in the comments, just comment, man. Follow me on Instagram. See over here, it be open roads. The only thing is, this is where the coppers be. So look, y'all, this is what we gonna do. We gonna go all the way down. Then when we come in this way, I'm gonna really be acting up. I'm just paying attention, make sure ain't no coppers on that side. But it be coppers all, like literally all through here. But we just go play it smart coming down. Then we go turn this joint around and doggy. and dog it. Oh my, bro. Oh my God. I told somebody that I was getting a BMW, bro. They said, dang, man, you trading your cat in? Hell no, I ain't trading mine in, boy. You think I'm going? I don't know, man. Y'all be thinking davo effed up or something. Talking about I'm trading it in. No. You crazy? I can't trade this in for no BMW, bro. I don't care what nobody say. Can't trade this in, man. Oh yeah, we at 11 minutes. I would keep on going down, but we just finna turn this joint around. Should we turn around right now? We should go to this gas station that's up there, so I can show y'all the whip. No, actually, I should do it my way. We just go to this gas station, man. We just go to this G station. This joint is crazy, though. This joint is ridiculous. I don't gotta lie. Oh, it's the exit right here. We just go hop out on the side of the road so I can record, because we ain't finna go all the way down, man. Ain't nothing down there, no way. Oh, whoa. But no, then this dude that was that had came up to me, he put me on to the casino little membership card thing. It's called like a little players club thing. He put me on to that. He was just dropping gems. I'm like, man. He was telling me his little strategy on like roulette and crap. I'm like, oh yeah, you up to something, huh? That boy is up to something. Y'all, this is what we finna do. We just finna pull over on the side of the road. There ain't no lights over here though. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see this joint. That'll be a dumb idea. Then the thing is, y'all, I don't understand how people be getting caught in Hellcats and Scat Packs, bro. I just seen somebody that just got caught by the police. I'm like, bro, how do you get caught, bro? My thing is, like, once you stump the gas, it's over with. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Like, it's literally over with. So I just be wondering, like, what do y'all be doing? Alright, here goes some light right here. We gonna do this. Go pull on the side of the road. This is how we gonna do it. This is how we gonna do it. Woo! That joint looking hard, ain't it? I know that joint looking hard. Y'all ain't gotta say too much. Alright, y'all, back to the POV. Cause your boy Davo tripping, huh? perfect opportunity to dog it. Bro, that bottle of water is pissed. Hold up, bro. Hold up, man. This bottle of water, bro, do not want to sit still. Alright, y'all, we just going off this video right here, man. Hopefully y'all messed with the highway POV today. Yeah, man, we just gonna keep on giving y'all more entertaining content. I'm gonna start back popping out with everybody. The weather is starting to change, so this is gonna get way more lit. How my channel been lit, man. I just been chilling on popping out, hanging around a lot of months. But we gonna be back outside, man. I was just outside with my homies today, but I ain't really record nothing because we just went to this gas station and we was just parked up. But just let me know, man, if y'all be wanting like more lifestyle vlog, me going to the casino, anything, man. Just hanging out, picking up food, anything, man. Whatever y'all want to see, just let me know in the comments. I'm gonna give it to y'all, Brody. And this has been your boy Davo, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.